Dax gang, what is going on? And I don't know if you've noticed, but few little upgrades going on here. Okay, if you haven't told already, I do have a new camera. Yes, we are in 4K right now, so your boy's looking clean. But yeah, I'm just really excited to use this camera. But anyway, enough about that. Today guys, we are going to be doing, if you haven't seen by the title already, we're gonna be doing Lil Uzi type beat. Why, you might ask, are we doing a Lil Uzi type beat? Well, first of all, Futsal Shuffle dropped recently, and I had no idea about it because I was too busy studying for some freaking finals. But that's besides the point. But yeah, we're just gonna get into it. If you like the video, make sure you leave a like. Don't forget to comment, share, like, subscribe. Oh yeah, and don't forget to join my Discord. Okay, links in the description. I do beat critiques there, do beat contests there, rate my subscribers, beats, all that stuff. So make sure you join the Discord, and let me know if you guys are liking this new angle. You know what I'm saying? But now let's just get into the video. I really hope everything's working fine, because if nothing is working fine, I'm gonna be pretty damn pissed. So for Uzi type beat, I was thinking silent. You know what? Let's do silent. I'm doing silent. We're gonna find something on silent. Silent has some fire sounds, so let's find something on silent. But actually, first I'm gonna get a piano melody going from Nexus. Then we're gonna go on silence. And speaking of Nexus, I need to get Nexus 2, bro, or 3. That just dropped, and it looks so much better than Nexus 2. Oh my god. That delay is gonna piss me off a little bit. It is not a, oh, no. Choose it there. All right, let's spice this up a little bit. Do I wanna, let's spice this up just a teeny bit. All right, now we're heating up. We're heating up now, y'all. We're heating up, okay? Let's chill out. Let's put this on Nexus, or silent now. Oh my god, yo, that's fun. Get rid of that pre-delay. Yo, that's what I'm, yo.
One eternity later.
Alright, now we need a counter melody. Do I want to use Nexus? I don't really know. I just, you know what? Let's try it out. Let's try Nexus. Let's see if Nexus definitely has something, right? Alright guys, this counter melody combo right here, I'm liking this. Alright. Now the only thing is I don't know if I want to do like a sub bass or a, nah, you know what, 808, I don't know. Cause I'm not really hearing an 808 pattern. Maybe I should just lay them stuff down. I don't know. All right, we're gonna try adding an 808 in there. All right, let's see what happens. Let's see what happens. I'm just gonna try this out. We're gonna see what we can do with this 808 real quick. Let's see. Okay, real quick, y'all need to chill out. This thing is way too goddamn loud. All right. Let's. Okay, this 808s are way too quiet. Alright, now, alright, cool. So we got our little kind of melody and 808 going. Now, I'm gonna try adding some gross beat. Okay, let's see what's. We're gonna try and lay down some hi-hats now. Obviously, I'm just gonna use my regular Pierre-Bourne hi-hats because I can't stand any other ones, really. All right, I'm trying to look for like the perfect snare. I don't know what it is, but as soon as you put down the snare, like the beat just changes. Like I don't know what it is, but. Ooh. Alright, y'all. Beat, it's not done yet. You thought it was done. It's not. We're not finished yet. Okay. Now we need to add the perks. We need to add the voxes. We need to spice this up. It's a bit raw right now. Pause. Alright. So we need to spice this up. Alright. So let's get to it. Well, you know what, guys? There it is. There is your Lil Uzi type beat. I don't want to mess this up anymore because I think I already kind of messed it up. So you know what? I'm gonna just leave it at that. If you guys liked the video, don't forget to leave a like. Make sure you comment on videos that you do in the future in the comment section below. And also don't forget to join my Discord. Okay, links in the description. It's popping in there. If you want to talk to me, talk to my subscribers, talk to anybody else that likes music production. And I'm gonna see y'all in the next one. Peace.